When I sought for people's contribution towards Nnamdi Kanu'S release, why he was not released, if the fault was coming from his legal team, if it was as a result of incompetence or betrayal, a lot of people commented, and some even, rained abuses on me. Some are saying I'm up to something, this and that. But there's a particular submission that I so much like by one pastor, Onyebushi, and I would like to share that submission with you. It's very interesting. He wrote, he said, the only people that can say something meaningful here on that matter, that is talking about the matter, are lawyers. He says, so far, I have not found the legal team wanting. Because, you know why I had to read this again? I want this matter to really rest. Some people are trying to point accusing fingers on some members of the legal team, which is not supposed. It is clear, like I've said in an earlier video, that the Nigerian government purposely held Nnamdi Kanu, that the legal team has done what they can do, and this guy is confirming it again. Let's read what he wrote for you to see. Now, continue. He says, so far, I have not found the legal team wanted. Now, he wrote, 1, their proceedings were well articulated. The truth is that it is the government that does not want to release him. Now, he wrote, number 2, Nnamdi Kanu's case has a jurisdiction problem. As such, no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try him because of the way he was brought into Nigeria, and his lawyers pleaded that fact, and the Supreme Court affirmed that fact as well. Number 3, they also alleged that the invasion of Kanu's house, that was in 2017, was illegal, and the Supreme Court also agreed with them. Then number 4, they also pleaded that Kanu did not jump bail but ran away for his life when his house was invaded, and the Supreme Court also agreed with him as well. The Supreme Court, having agreed with them on the above facts, they should have allowed him to go home, because those facts are more than powerful enough to set him free. But the Supreme Court insisted his trial should continue. I am a lawyer. The legal team did everything they should have done. It is the Supreme Court that refused to release him. Falana should have not performed any other miracle other than what Kanu's legal team has done so far. Remember that the likes of Kanu Agabi is also there. The federal government, if they want, can also, through the Office of Attorney General of the Federation, enter null on the case and allow him to go so that there will be peace. But they insisted on prosecuting him. What then is the offense of his legal team? Or do all these non-lawyers commenting think that Falana will manufacture facts other than the present facts in the issue? Listen carefully. I also asked, what would Falana have done better? Because some are saying if it were Falana, he would have, as if Falana will, maybe, I don't know, he will arrange some boys, give them arms, and they break into DSS and take Nnamdi Kanu. That is what I don't know. Now, I like this. This presentation was by a lawyer. I'm still reading, Let's go back a little bit. What then is the offense of his legal team, or do all these non-lawyers commenting think that Falana will manufacture facts other than the present facts in the issue? The answer is no. In summary, to me, I have not found Kanu's legal team wanting as far as the case is concerned. Meanwhile, that his trial should continue does not mean that he must be found guilty, that he will not be released or that he will not be granted bail. Let's all be patient. He will still be out soon. Pastor Onyebuchi Azo Esquire. So that is coming from somebody who knows about the law, somebody who is doing the business of law. He has specified it. You know, some people attacked me for this particular thing. I was telling them it is not the fault of Nnamdi Kanu'S lawyers. So they are saying, I am up to something. I'm not up to anything. Thank God this is coming from a lawyer too. You've seen it. I still hope you will not comment nonsense on the comment section. Comment reasonably. And I will tell you again, like I used to tell you, don't allow somebody to use your brain for you. Don't allow somebody to instigate you against another, in an attempt to obliterate the truth. I leave you with this for now. Bye-bye. Share widely and stop blaming people unnecessarily.